This cart was found in the trash heap, and now it deserves a spot on the showroom floor.
GolfCartingTV is your inside source for the coolest upgrades, mods, and accessories to take your trusty golf cart from drab to fab.
Hey there, and welcome back to GolfCartingTV. My name is Matt with Converted Carts, and we're thrilled to have you back here today. We have a great episode, and I think you're going to like what this cart is. As I kind of mentioned at the beginning, it really had a transformation from what it started to what it became. We're happy to have our sponsor today as Bolt Energy. Bolt is the maker of high-quality lithium golf cart batteries. Experience superior power with Bolt Energy. BoltEnergyUSA.com. So today I have a chance to feature a cart that really came from nothing and turned into something, as I've already mentioned. Neil down at Martin & Son in Chesney, South Carolina. I met Neil through the Upstate Cart Fest a few weeks back, and his cart Calypso really is something special. Like, it went from the whole front end was wrecked to begin with, and they basically took it and rebuilt it from the ground up. So let's jump in with Neil and take a look at Calypso. Hey, so I'm here with Neil. Neil, why don't you tell us, first introduce yourself and who you're with, and then we'll take a look at this pretty awesome cart. I think it's called Calypso, so let's take a look.
Yes, sir. Thanks, Matt. Yeah, my name's Neil Martin with Martin & Son Carts here in Chesney, South Carolina. What we've built here, we just wanted to start with something, an old cart, just to show what you could do with an old cart. When we bought it, it was originally wrecked and smashed in the front. It's a 1986 Club Car DS. We do call it Calypso because of the color. It's a Ford Calypso green. So what we did is we tore this thing down to the frame. We started over. We used an all-sport 10-inch lift. We're running the mods Assassins in chrome with the 10 wides and the 30-inch Tuss terabytes. We did convert it over to the Navitas drive. So we're running the Navitas 5 kilowatt with the 600 amp controller. We converted the throttle over to an M-Core system out of the new carts, an M-Core 4. So once we started putting it back together, we found it was just too tall, so we decided to change it up and go topless just to make it easier to fit in the garage.
So, and is that custom?
This is all sport as well.
Okay.
So they offer the polished stainless roll bars and the matching bumper on the front. As we were putting it together, we realized how tall the back was, so for safety reasons, we decided to make this custom rear deck on the back. So we shortened the normal steel platform off of a seat kit, and it runs all the way under into the tub, and we mounted this Arctic 20 there. And it has a side-by-side hold-down system, so it can't come off. You don't have to worry about it when you're riding.
Nice.
The guys at Golf Cart Mafia made us this little tag, this receiver that slides in our hitch, cuts on with our lights that has the cart name on it.
That's very cool.
It has 1,300 watts of sound extreme. We have the 33 Elite bar on the back. We have the 8-inch sub under the seat. And we have a 300 watt amp up front behind the dash with the 6.5s. So we added the Navitas touchscreen as well. And we went with the Eco 70 volt here in the middle for the heart of it. And there's our sound extreme sub. Controller and everything on this side, our 2 voltage reducers over there, trying to keep it as clean as we can. We've got matching cables to go with the colors. These come from Kirk at Marble Tech. It's just been a fun cart. MC Designs did our seat. The problem is on a DS, as some of you probably know, custom seats are hard to come by anymore on a Club Car DS. So Pete over at MC Designs did our custom seats with the teal stitching in it to try and tie it to the color. Front end, we did do a matching bumper. We did a headlight conversion on it. It actually has headlights out of an S10 pickup.
Really?
It gives us the halos, and we have it wired with low beam and high beam, so you can see it in here. And then we also have it set up with signals wired into the halos as well as the corner.
Nice.
It's just a fun cart to drive.
An all sport
We have
brush
the
guard
all
there.
sport bumper to match, yes sir. It's been a great kit. It's a little dirty there, I see. We use this cart. We carry it a lot of places. We do ride it. Top speed right now is just under 50.
Really?
We got it tuned down a little bit. This eco battery just went in literally last night. So we're still doing a little bit of adjusting and testing on top speed and overall range. Deco Mats made us a custom mat here with the teal diamonds. We had our logo put in. We had the mat made for the back in the same diamonds to go underneath the Arctic. Not sure what else I can tell you. It was just a frame up. We tore it down, had it sandblasted, powder coated, and we just started from scratch.
And you got an Navitas, everything looks a little custom back in there. What all have you done?
So we're running the Navitas 5 kilowatt motor back in there with the 600 amp controller. And we did get a reduced ratio rear end from David Hicks at Revolution just to help turn these 30s. So we've had a lot of help from a lot of good people, which we always have over the years. We've been real lucky to work with a lot of great people in the industry. We just wanted to do something a little different. I know it's been done before, but we wanted ours just a little different, and we wanted to do it our way.
Very
and
cool.
Just make a cart that kind of turns heads, and it does its job. It's not as big as some, but it is a straight custom. We do have the steering wheel that was cut. Blake at Psychotic Fab cut that and chromed it for us to match the Assassins as well. We have our logo, one of them cut and put in the center of the steering wheel for the Martin & Son shop. We have a mat coming to go on top of the Arctic in the court that has our logo, and we have a set of amp power steps off of a Ford truck that we've got to put on as well. We just didn't get them put on in time before the show.
Yeah.
So they are on the short list.
Very cool. You've done a great job. This is
Thank you, Matt.
This is
Appreciate
fantastic.
That. Means a lot. We certainly appreciate anybody that appreciates it in the industry. I know you guys see it a lot. You travel and see a lot of really cool carts, so we really appreciate the opportunity to show ours.
Yeah.
And we've had a great day here in our little town for the event. So you can see they're all coming back in from doing a poker run over through town. I think we've counted them at right at 50 golf carts here that showed up for our first annual Upstate Kart Fest. And we're going to continue to do this, God willing, next year, and hopefully we'll grow from there. A lot of stuff that's been donated from some great companies as well that people are trying to win. So yeah, it's been a great turnout, a beautiful day. So
awesome.
Yeah, we're going to go over here and have some fun. We appreciate you guys coming and being a part of it with us.
Glad to be here. This is awesome. Cool. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
Well, if you're not impressed by that, I don't know what will impress you, because taking that from where it was to where it is just is way over the top and very cool. So Neil and his team there did a fabulous job, and hope you love that episode and got some new things out of there. I think there's a lot of creativity in that build, and it's fun to take a look at stuff like that. If you haven't already, like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next week, next Wednesday at noon. Every week we have a new episode. Thanks, and we'll see you next week.